Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Navitel R1050 with your app on Android smartphone. And to do this, first thing is to download the app called the Navitel DVR Center. Inside you can go for menu, and here is select DVR Wi-Fi to connect. Now we can open our settings on our camera, so click on the M button at the bottom, click on it again to enter settings, and here on the first page we should see settings for the Wi-Fi. Okay, so click on OK and make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on. Next is Wi-Fi Navitel, click on OK, and here you can see the details. We want to click on our app now, and here connect the camera. So it should be named like this. Let's refresh the page with Wi-Fi is available. Here it is. So now to enter a password, we'll need to check it as well on our camera. So scroll down for the Wi-Fi password, click on OK, and here you can see it. So it's from 1 to 8, and it should be set like this by default. You can change it inside if you want. Now it's connected, and we can go back to the app. And as you can see, now it's connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.